So I have one more dish. Thanking the folks at Regal Products for making this one possible, because Regal provided this lovely quinoa. It's really so simple to make. It's a nice replacement for rice. Most people replace it with rice. And I'm kind of using it in building what we call a quinoa bowl. And it's really about using this quinoa from Regal, and also some lovely chana or chickpeas, as sometimes it's known around the world, and building a nice salad with fresh ingredients. So this is no cooking. So you take the quinoa and you kind of just, quinoa is the base. So you pile up that quinoa there. It's a power food, very healthy, green.
Can you really taste the difference?
You tell me. You tell me. When you taste it, you tell me. So you build that quinoa there. And once that you build that there,
you have to cook quinoa, no?
Yes. So you simple boil water, very simple. Boil it.
Simple for me. I know what that.
Follow the ingredients on Regal's quinoa pack. And you can't go wrong.
Sure.
You can't go wrong, for sure. So, some Regal chickpeas or chana. I want to just use that also just at the base as well. So I'm just pouring that in there, getting a nice base of chickpeas or chana as we know it. So I think I want some tomatoes. So I have some cherry tomatoes that I could probably just use in this corner. So this is kind of where I just wanted like your creativity to kind of go, you know, you just, because you're basically building a bowl where you have your ingredients that you can pull from and choose from when you start to eat. So corn, right? Simple corn, right? And I want the corn up in this corner here. I'm just building nicely. So this is a quinoa bowl, as I said, very simple, very easy to do. What else do I have? So I have some red onions. I would use red onions only because, as I said, I like the color, I like the purple color. So I just have a little red onions there. And finally, I have some eggs. I'm going meatless for the next couple of weeks.
Got it.
Right? So I just really want to dot a little bit of the boiled eggs there. So that protein. Joshua, how does this plate look?
Yeah, no, I'm ready. I am ready.
Joshua.
Yeah, no, my mom is right now mad at me. I ain't even gonna play. I am ready, excited.
So this, the finishing touch really, is probably a little bit of garlic sauce. Anyway, your favorite salad dressing kind of thing. And you just kind of drizzle. So Joshua, please try my quinoa bowl.
First time.
An assortment of vegetables.
I like this show.
Yeah.
Okay, how do I eat it? Like what?
So that's where it comes in. You can have a little bit of quinoa with some corn. You could pull eggs. You can eat it however.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'll have some quinoa, egg, corn. Okay. No, I could do this. Yeah.
And mommy will be proud because you're eating healthy there.
Yeah, I'm a little friend here and dad right now, kind of right? So, you know, make some quinoa for you again. I like this.
Because the only place you have weight to lose is, I think, your eyebrows. Your eyebrows put a little weight, I think, over the carnival.
No, I really like quinoa for you.
Nice.
How much does that lot have?
You can have as much as
you want.
You can take away the bowl.
Don't say no more.
But I ask one more favor of you before you go. Take us out with another classic.
Right.
Yeah. And then you can come back to your bowl. Guys, Joshua Regrello was in the house this morning. He stormed my kitchen. He brought his pan and he gave me some wonderful music. The national instrument was on full show. I want to thank you very much.
Anytime.
You are just
Anytime.
You are a young panist that, as I said, literally have embraced what I think we represent as Trinbago culture, putting the national instrument on the highest level possible. That concert, as I said, for Carnival 2022 was simply amazing. Looking forward to so much more.
Thank you so much.
Take us out, brother. Joshua Regrello, ladies and gentlemen.